ASUS sneakily announced another device during their unveiling of the ZenFone 5 series in MWC last month. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 paired with 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and a respectable 4000 mAh battery. What's up guys, Kim here of Yugatech, and meet the newest member of the Max series, the ZenFone Max M1. First up, let's check what's inside the box. Opening the package reveals a small white box with the phone just right below it. As for the contents, we get a jelly case, a set of earphones, a SIM ejector tool, a micro USB charging cable, charging adapter, and your common set of manuals and pamphlets. Staying true as a somewhat toned-down version of the ZenFone Max Plus M1, ASUS' newest Max member follows suit in the design of its larger sibling. Having the same metal unibody with a matte finish and curved edges, but also carrying over the fingerprint magnet back panel. If you noticed, we lost the notorious notch we've been so familiar with this 2018. Weirdly enough, it may be refreshing for some to once again see a device with a standard 18:9 display. Despite the Max M1's large battery capacity, the phone maintains a slim look and feel, thanks to its slim bezels and relatively thin frame. It's a little thicker than most of the competition though. Up front, we'll be greeted by a standard 5.5-inch 18:9 HD Plus IPS display with a 720x1440 resolution, then a 13-megapixel front camera accompanied by an LED flash, call speaker, LED notifications, and a light sensor. On the right, we have the power button and volume rockers, while on the left, we have the triple slot tray for the dual SIM card and dedicated microSD. It's always a plus seeing a triple card tray. Up top, we get a lone 3.5mm audio port, and down below, the micro USB port, loudspeaker, and microphone. Although the left speaker grill holds the mic, while the right is a loudspeaker. Flipping the phone over reveals a dual 13-megapixel plus 8-megapixel rear cameras, accompanied by a dual-tone LED flash. Just below those are the fingerprint scanner and ASUS logo. What's interesting though is ASUS changed the position of the dual rear camera, similar with the iPhone X, although the dual camera module still features the wide-angle view, which basically works when you press this button. The output is super wide, but on our initial sample shots is a bit soft and mushy, which hopefully improves with the software update. Here are some of the shots we took. While the front camera may have a 13-megapixel resolution, but unfortunately it's only fixed focus, so most of our selfie shots are not focused. But then again, we'll test this further in our full review, so make sure to activate that bell icon so you don't miss that video once it gets live. Okay, notable features we like is having a multitask split screen, a customizable home screen layout, and the usual set of gestures and shortcuts. The on-screen home button doubles as a shortcut for Google Assistant, which shows a nice animation of the home button. As for the other on-screen buttons, on the right is your standard recent apps, which is also a shortcut for screenshots when you long press it, while the left is, of course, the back button. Split screen multitasking is also present when you enter the recent apps UI, shown by the multitask icon in the apps. But take note that only apps with the multitask icons will work with the split screen feature. Now swiping up from the home screen will show all the apps, while swiping down anywhere on the screen will bring down the notifications which needs to be activated in the home screen preference. Also, the home screen has two layouts. They call it 1-layer mode and 2-layer mode. 2-layer mode is your common Android experience, while 1-layer mode is a more simplified and easier layout. No app drawer and gesture feature. Lastly, we have outdoor mode for audio, which instantly boosts the device volume. Sadly, quality gets a bit compromised. Powering the device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 430, a chip designed for low to mid-tier devices, paired with Adreno's 505 GPU and 3GB of RAM. Performance is respectable for its class, as mundane tasks like home screen navigation, basic surfing, and social media consumption is a breeze. Multitasking is also quite possible, thanks to the 3GB RAM. As for gaming, we fired up Mobile Legends for a little playtest. The device handled the game quite well, although we did notice some occasional frame drops. Either way, the Max M1 will be able to handle light to moderate gaming quite well, while heavy gaming might bring the device to its knees. We'll be testing it in full in the coming days. The ZenFone Max M1 is shaping up to be a good alternative to its larger sibling, the Max Plus M1. It's equipped with a respectable Snapdragon 430 CPU and 3GB of RAM, although that HD Plus display may be a turn off for some. But we'll still be taking the device for a spin in the coming days, so watch out for a full review. And that's a wrap. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Again, this is Kim of Yugatech, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!